I am obsessed with Pixie Hollow. All the flowers, water fairies, bits and bobs, friendship, adventure, banger soundtracks, and a little bit of faith, trust, and pixie dust. Today we're making 22 pounds of soap in one go, so let's get started. We are going to begin by pouring our lye water solution into our oils and not letting our stick blender fall over today like we did last time. Okay, let's go ahead and blend this up. All right, if I can do this, it'll be a miracle. We are going to try to, without spilling, get our soap batter into 5 containers. And yes, it's probably going to be a bit of a tight squeeze, but I know we can do it. Let's add our colors before our fragrance. We're gonna start with a little bit of titanium dioxide. Then I dream in purple, some blue shocker, some preppy blue. This is sort of a gray blue, and some sea glass. So let's mix these up real quick before adding the fragrance, and we'll make sure the color palette looks watery enough. This is so pretty. I am now ready to add my fragrance oil blend. Oh no, are y'all seeing the yellow? I've worked with these fragrances before. This should not be happening. Maybe it's just a color morph. It's fine. We're not gonna freak out about nothing. But oof, that color is alarming. Okay, let's start by blending this by hand to see how it does. Okay, it doesn't seem to be rising or anything. It just looks awful. Like, look at the color. It just turned my purple. Oh no. Might as well get it over with and mix it up really well with my stick blender. This is about to be a very unsatisfying color blend. Blue over here, unironically looking very good. Everyone else looks like a hot disaster. Let's go ahead and do an in the pot swirl for this one, because honestly, why not at this point? Gonna go ahead and break the fall, pour about half my batch in, I think about half will do. I have to hurry up because this is getting rather thickums. All right, in an attempt to salvage this batch, I am going to pour from about mid-height, I would say. It is going well, and I feel like the swirls are gonna be really pretty. I also think I could actually salvage the fragrance blend too. It's the purple that's making this look so strange. Otherwise, it kind of looks like, I was hoping for a river effect, but it just kind of looks oceany. But you can see, look at the purple. Good lands. Like, the purple is the problem here, not the rest of it. So I think if I change that in future batches, if, to my most unfortunate prediction, it doesn't end up turning back to the proper color, we can still use the fragrance blend and I will just adapt. Okay, let's go ahead and get the rest of this top thrown on here. All right, let's get this prettiest blue on top. All right, taking the larger end of a chopstick, I'm just gonna swirl around the top real quick. I'm not gonna do the traditional one that I typically do because I want this to be a bit of a bigger swirl. I do wanna kind of break up some of those larger chunks though. That looks beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead and put some mermaid trails all over the top here. And then I really need to pick another glitter, but I'm kind of stumped on which one I should go with. I took some swatches and now I'm gonna ask Instagram to decide. Okay, I'm giving Instagram 5 minutes to pick the other glitter to put on top of this soap. In the meantime, I'm going to clean up my whole table. I'm also going to put a quick spritzing of some Sparkle Me Aqua. I'm holding it up from rather high so it doesn't like completely cover up the design underneath. This is a very fine mica mist, and so it has a tendency to overwhelm anything it sits on. Gorgeous, nice and shiny. shiny. After 5 minutes, this is the glitter that Instagram picked. I gave them 4 options. And remember, Royalty Soaps only uses bio glitter. And oh my gosh, I'm pretty sure they made the best choice possible. Okay, even if the soap doesn't change color, I've made my peace with it. It looks pretty good. I'll put it to sleep for 18 to 24 hours, and then we will come back and take a look at the inside, maybe even witness a color morph after this quick commercial break. Well guys, another day, another paranormal color morph. Look at these colors. What happened? I was so freaked out. I was so disappointed. I was like, there is no way that this is gonna end up looking good. And look at where the purple is today. Everything looks fine. You literally never would have known. And this color palette just screams water fairy. Take off my little sample pieces. And this is what the soap looks like on the inside. Is it giving a rushing spring like waterfall? It even feels a little bit icy, which is what I wanted. I wanted it to kind of have a cool water feeling. I'm absolutely loving this. Every single bar, so very unique. And the shimmer on top, like, please. There is actually a test for which Tinkerbell fairy are you? Look how pretty. Okay, I found it. It is a BuzzFeed article, and yes, I am Silver Mist, just like I thought I would be. Why do you think I picked water fairies? So are you Tinkerbell? Are you Iridessa? Are you Fawn? Are you Silver Mist? Are you Rosetta? Are you Vidya? I feel like there's a lot of people watching here that are totally Vidya. Go take the test and report back. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This is definitely one of my absolute favorite soaps in the entire collection this month. It smells great. It looks so pretty, you know, after the color morph. And overall, I will be keeping all of my notes on how to achieve those exact colors in the future because they are so good. Be sure you do something fun for yourself today, like going on a walk in the sunshine, or maybe whipping up a new product. That's something I'm doing on the table right in front of me, which you can't see because it's a surprise. I don't really care what you do though, just do something fun for yourself, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye for now. Meow.